Hello students, welcome to Learn and Enjoy YouTube channel. I am Hema Jain. Till yesterday we have seen the 3 lessons of 5th State Board History. The third lesson we have seen yesterday, that is Life on Earth. And today we are going to start the 4th lesson, Evolution. The main concept of evolution, what are the stages of evolution, the apes, and many more important points. First we will see in this chapter, and after that we'll see the question and answers. Then let's start. The 4th lesson of 5th history, evolution. See the important points. The first point of this lesson is concept of evolution. Evolution means gradual and continuous change. In the process of survival, the animal adapts to the environmental changes. This results in internal physical changes which are inherited by the subsequent generation. A new species are more evolved than the original species. Original species become extinct sometimes. When they become extinct, we'll see in Darwin's theory. Sometimes more than one species evolve out of the original species. Charles Darwin gave a systematic explanation of the process of evolution. Then, who gave the explanation of evolution? Charles Darwin. He stated 2 examples or 2 main statements. First one is species which are capable of adapting to environment. The species which can adapt the environmental changes, they survive. That is the first statement of Darwin. And the second statement of Darwin is species which are unable to adapt become extinct. Extinct means destroy fully. Then which species are extinct today? Dinosaur. Dinos in Greek means terrible and saurs means lizard. Dinosaur means a terrible lizard. Dinosaur, an enormous animal, became extinct due to some natural disaster or environmental changes. Some species of dinosaur with 2-leg wings evolved into birds. So, dinosaur became extinct due to 2 main reasons, that is natural disaster or environmental changes. That is the first point. See the second point, the stages of evolution of animals. Multicellular organisms gradually evolved and thereby a number of species of plants and animals came into being. There are 2 categories of animals, that is invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates means animals without backbone, such as snail. And vertebrates means animals with backbone, like aquatic animals, amphibians, birds, reptile, mammals, human beings. These are the example of vertebrate animals. Aquatic means the animals who survive in water. Amphibian means the animals who live in water and on land also. Birds which can fly. Reptiles, the animals can crawl. And mammals, the animals can give the birth to their young ones. Mammals, there are 2 main characteristics of animals because mammals are the most evolved vertebrate animal. There are the 2 main characteristics. First one is growth of the baby in mother's womb before birth, and second, fed on mother's milk sometimes after birth. These are the specialized characters of mammals. Third point, apes. Apes are somewhat similar to human beings in appearance. These apes are lived on trees, retain their ape-like form, whereas those forced to move around on the ground gradually evolved into human species. And the first human species is called primitive man, who lived in the African continent. These are the main points of this lesson, and now we are seeing the question and answers. The first question of this lesson is fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blanks you can see on your screen. The first systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was given by, what's the name of that scientist? Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin is the answer. The first systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was given by Charles Darwin. The second, fill in the blanks. Dash are the most evolved animals among vertebrates. Which animal is the most evolved among vertebrates? Mammals. Mammals are the most evolved animals in vertebrates. See the second question, that is, we have the chart in front of us and we have to complete it. That is evolution of animals. See on your screen living things. Living things are categorized into two parts. There are two parts of the living things. First one is invertebrates and second one is vertebrates. The invertebrates animal means the animals without backbone. So the first answer is invertebrates. There are four types of invertebrates animals. First worm, second snail, third mosquito, fourth earthworm. Complete the chart in your notebook. And second part, vertebrates, that means animals with a backbone. There are four types of vertebrates: aquatic, amphibian, reptiles, mammals. Now see the question number 3, answer in one sentence. What do we call animals which live in water and also on land? Amphibians. Amphibians live in water and also on land. See the second question. Where did the first human appear? The first human appeared in African continent. Now see the question number 4, give reasons. The first give reason is the species of dinosaurs which were enormous in size suddenly became extinct. Extinct means destroy. Why dinosaurs became extinct? See the reasons. First, because according to Darwin, the species that cannot adapt to environmental changes become extinct in the process of evolution. Second reason, some sudden natural disaster or environmental change is believed to be responsible for the extinction of enormous dinosaurs. These are the reasons. That's why enormous dinosaurs became extinct. See the second question. In the course of time, a new species with characteristics different from the original species is created. The reason is, see the answer, in the process of survival by adapting to environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some species of animals. Over a period of time, these changes become inherited characteristics seen in all subsequent generations. So, in the course of time, a new species with characteristics different from the original species is created. So, this is the answers. You can write it in your notebook and learn it well. Tomorrow we will meet with next chapter, the fifth chapter of this lesson. Hope so you like the video. Thank you very much.